Okay, next example. Find f of x if cube root of 2 raised to 1 plus 1, y plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 1. Bale yan is a radical expression. So, kailangan nating gawing fractional expression yan or rational expression. So, ano ba yung cube root sa rational expression? Bale, 1/3 siya. So, ito times natin dito yan sa exponent na y plus 1. So, times natin, y plus 1 times 1 is equal to y plus 1. Y plus 1 times 3 is equal to 3. So, ito na yung magiging exponent nito. So, murahin natin ito. Nakuha na natin yung exponent. So, ilalagay natin yung 2 dito. 2y raised to y plus 1 over 3. Tapos, ikakopy lang natin tong right side. 2x plus 1. Then, para mawala tong 2, tanggalin natin yung 2 dito. Gawin natin logarithmic function. So, logarithm of 2x plus 1, kopyahin lang, of base 2. Bali, yung 2 nilagay na natin dito. So, ano naiwan dito is y plus 1 over 3. Then, para ma-simplify yan, kailangan natin i-times. Since yung 2x plus 1 is 2 terms, ganyan gagawin natin, lagyan natin ng parenthesis. So, sa parenthesis na yan, y plus 1 over 3 is equal to logarithm of 2x plus 1. Bali, ita-times natin siya sa 3. So, cancel natin to, cancel. Y plus 1 na lang matitira. Is equal to 3, bali, 3 times 3, bali, yung 3 dito lang yan sa unahan. 3 logarithm of 2x plus 1 of base 2. Yan, bali, ganyan lang mangyayari yan. Bali, times lang sa 3. Then, ganyan na yan. Y plus 1. Bali, yan yung sagot niyan. Bali, itong y, yung plus 1, ililipat lang dito. So, lipat natin. So, 3 logarithm of 2x plus 1 wait lang. Hindi kasya. Bale, magiging sagot niyan is y is equal to 3 logarithm of 2x plus 1 minus 1. Kasi, change natin yung sign ng 1 dito, nilipat. Bale. Tapos yung y, ipalit lang natin sa f of x. So, f of x is equal to 3 logarithm of 2x plus 1 minus 1 over base 2. So, ito yung final answer. Yan. Sana naintindihan nyo.
Logarithm function. So let y f of x find f of x if 3 raised to y minus 1 equal x. So, sulat na natin solution. And yung given, 3 raised to y minus 1 equal x. So, gagawin natin, kailangan natin mawala yung 3 or pwede natin siyang gawin sa logarithm. So, gawin natin equal log and gawin natin siyang base x. So, ayun, y na lang yung natitira. Ibaba na lang natin. Y negative 1. So, nababa na natin ngayon. Gagawin naman natin. Ililipat natin yung 1 sa dulo and magiging plus. So, y equal log base 3 x plus 1. Pagkatapos, tapalitan natin siya ng f of x kasi nga f of x yung hinahanap natin, yung y. So, f of x log base 3 x plus 1. So, ayun, ito yung sample natin. Thank you.
For our next example, let y is equals to f of x. Find f of x if 3 raised to y plus 1 over 2 is equals to 2x. Then, copy the
sa Davao. Mga sapatos mo original.
3 raised to
Nakabili nga ako
1 plus
yung Travis Scott.
y plus 1 over
1,
2 is equals
Ewan ko lang
to 2.
kung original. Pero sa tingin ko original eh.
Times both side by 2.
Travis Scott.
This one
Hindi ko alam
cancel.
kung legit.
Copy 3 raised to y plus 1 is equals to 2 times 2x is equals to 4x. Then y plus 1 is equals to logarithmic of 4x base 3. Then y transfer the 1. Y is equals to of 4x base 3. So, positive yung plus dito, magiging negative 1. So, yan. Then, f of x is equals to logarithmic of 4x base to 3 minus 1. It's our answer.